See this? This creator is generating over $18,800 every month using an AI influencer.
That's how much I made this month in September, almost $19,000, with a new model I created exactly a month ago.
In this video, I'm showing you exactly how to create your own ultra-realistic AI influencer in minutes, step by step.
Oh, wow.
And here's the crazy part. You don't need a big following, you don't need expensive software, and you definitely don't need to be on camera. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create your own professional AI influencer from scratch and turn it into a real income stream. Let's get started. Welcome. Start by clicking the link in the description or the pinned comment to visit MySnapFace.com. The first step is to sign up for an account. I will do this right now by clicking the Sign Up button here, and then I will register using my Google account. All right, as you can see, I am already signed in. Now let me show you how to create your AI influencer right here on the platform. If you look at the menu, you will see Characters. Click on Characters. You will see existing characters you can choose from, but let's go ahead and create our own. Click on Create Character. In this case, we have two options. You can create from a real character or a virtual character. With the real character option, you have to upload up to 20 images for the AI to understand the specific person you want to recreate. However, I am not going to do that. If you don't have existing images to use, simply select Virtual Character. This allows you to create a unique AI influencer from scratch without needing photos of a real person. So let's click on Start Designing. First, we need to choose our ethnicity. Let's start with white. For the age range, I will select the 20s. Next is the hairstyle. I will choose black. For the style, I'll choose a high ponytail. For body type, I will select a medium bust and large hips. You can also give the AI a custom prompt to refine the look, such as cute smile or dimples. I will just type cute smile, beautiful. Once done, click on Generate Character Options. All right, as you can see, these are the images it generated. Go through them and select the one you prefer. I think I will go for this one right here. Click on Continue with Selected Character. Now name your AI. I will call her Maya and click Submit. Our AI avatar will now start training. If we refresh the page, you will see the status. The training process typically takes around 30 minutes. In no time, we will be able to start creating content with our new influencer. Amazing! Our AI influencer is done training, so we can start creating content. I will start by creating images. Click on Create Image. We are going to use a cool tool here called Photo Pack. This allows us to browse reference images from the web, Instagram, or selfies. Let's look at the Instagram category. Scroll through the available poses and select the one you want to replicate with your AI influencer. I will select this specific pose here. With the pose selected, you can choose your image dimensions. I will leave it on square, which is perfect for Instagram. Next, select the number of images you want. Let's go for 4 outputs. Under Enhance Prompt, you can choose between amateur or professional styles. The professional style looks very sharp, but amateur is often perfect because it looks more realistic, like a photo taken with a phone. I will stick with amateur and click Generate Images. Let's give it a moment to generate. All right, our images are done, and they are in the exact style of the reference image we selected. These look very real. Another tool that makes image generation amazing is the MySnapFace Extension built for Google Chrome. Click on Extension in the menu and then Add to Chrome. This will help you replicate any image you see online, whether on Instagram or Pinterest. Let me show you how to use it. I will go to Pinterest and search for black women. Let's say I like this particular image. You will see the MySnapFace crown icon displaying on the image. Simply click on it. A menu will pop up where you can select your settings, such as Exact Copy or Different, and choose your AI model. Once I return to the platform, you will see it has replicated the exact same pose from Pinterest. Let's try another one, for instance, this outdoor picture. I click on it, and it starts processing. Just like that, our AI model has been placed in the same style as the original image. This is a completely new AI generation method that replicates the style of any image using your trained model. Actually, these pictures already look nice, but sometimes they can look too smooth and AI-like. To fix this, hover over the image and click Upscale. Ensure you select Enhanced Realism, then click Upscale Image. Check it out! The AI has gotten rid of the plastic skin effect, and the texture looks very natural. It's really impressive. Let's compare this other one. It looks a bit plastic, but when we use the Enhanced Realism upscaler, it looks significantly more natural and real. After upscaling, you can generate multiple variations of the same pose with different angles. Hover over the image and click Toggle into Carousel. Select your aspect ratio and the number of images you want. Then click Generate 5 Variations. This will generate different angles of the same scene and clothing. Let's see the result. As you can see, it has generated multiple consistent images from different angles. Now, if you click the drop-down menu, you will see Edit Image. This allows you to modify your image. Select Feed as the source and choose an image to edit. I will select this one. In the prompt box, I will type something simple like "wear her glasses." I'll select 2 outputs and click Edit Image. Amazing! The image has been edited and she is now wearing the glasses I requested. You can use this to add accessories, change clothing, or make any other adjustments just by typing a prompt. Moving on, I want to show you another amazing tool called Clone Video. With Clone Video selected, choose a source image of your character from your feed. Next, you need a source video to clone. You can paste a TikTok link, upload a file, or select from the trending section. I will select this trending video and click Generate Video. Let's give it a moment. This is the result of the TikTok trending video we just cloned with our character. Once you've got your content batch ready, the next step is actually turning it into a paycheck. I've been talking to the team behind the app, and they've set up a private Discord where they show you exactly where to post this content to start making money and what's working right now to get fans fast. They even threw in a free masterclass that covers the entire monetization blueprint from scratch. If you're using the app, you can jump in for free. Just click the community button inside your dashboard and I'll see you in there.